Hola a todos. Gamer Chica 596 aquí. I recorded a whole video of me playing Tetris for like 15 minutes, but then the screen recording stopped. And I don't know, I'm not gonna upload that video. It's fucking 15 minutes. But anyways, here's my Tetris high score, bruh. Look at that shit. I don't even know what my previous high score was, but I don't think it was 413,000. This is actually pretty fucking good, bruh. Oh shit, can I get 1,000,000? I should keep playing and see if I can get 1,000,000. It's probably very unlikely, but yeah. Try to beat me. Try to beat my high score, but you can't. Bye, bitch. Well, actually, I'll keep playing and I'll get back to you about what my high score is. Okay. See you later. Hasta la vista. Y comer los vegetales. Sí. Okay, well, I played it again, and I got 403,015. That's pretty shit, bruh. I mean, well, it's not shit, but it's lower than my previous score, but yeah. Ugh, my brain is dead, my eyes hurt. Is it even possible to get 1,000,000? I feel like it's just gonna go to 99999. Anyways, I think this is a pretty good score, I think. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. I will be doing a giveaway for for who if you like, comment, and subscribe. I will be doing a giveaway for a Tetris line piece dildo. So I'll be showing you what that looks like. Here's the Tetris line piece dildo. I'm not showing the whole thing so I don't get demonetized. I'm just playing, guys. I don't get money from doing this, unfortunately. But anyways, if you do what I say, you will be entered into this giveaway for this Tetris line piece dildo. And also, whoever beats my high score of 400,000, then you will be getting one as well. So yes. Okay, so I will be giving you a demonstration for how the Tetris line piece dildo works. So here it is in game. So hold on. So here it is. So you just slip it right. Oh fuck. You just slip it right in. It just goes in real easy. You know. It just slips right in. Oh fuck. No. And then you get a Tetris from that. I cannot guarantee the same results from your experience, but that is the intended use of the Tetris line piece dildo. So yeah, please enter my giveaway, and you might be able to get your hands on one of these. Woo! All right. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and comment and smash that subscribe button for a chance to enter my giveaway. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. GamerGirl596 out.